Deep cleaning on HP 14S-DK0T23AU laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Marigold, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The HP 14S-DK0T23AU laptop was brought in for deep cleaning service due to symptoms such as overheating, increased fan noise, and reduced system performance. These issues often result from dust buildup inside the cooling system, particularly on the heat sink, fan blades, and air vents, which can restrict airflow and prevent proper heat dissipation. Our process began with a careful disassembly of including the removal of the bottom cover, battery, cooling fan, and heat sink assembly. Compressed air, soft brushes, and anti-static tools were used to safely remove accumulated dust and debris from internal components. The thermal paste on the CPU and GPU was also cleaned and replaced with a fresh, high-quality compound to ensure efficient heat transfer. We thoroughly cleaned the cooling fan, motherboard, RAM slots, SSD, HDD bay, and other components to eliminate contaminants that could cause overheating or long-term damage. The laptop's exhaust and intake vents were cleared to restore optimal airflow, and the fan was tested for proper spinning and noise reduction. After reassembling the unit, the laptop was powered on and tested under normal and heavy usage conditions. Temperatures were observed to be significantly lower, and fan operation became noticeably quieter and smoother. The deep cleaning helped improve overall system stability, reduce thermal throttling, and extend the lifespan of internal hardware. The procedure was completed successfully, and the HP 14S-DK0T23AU laptop is now running cooler and more efficiently. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.